Hi everyone, it's Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we'll be doing a product review on the Outdoor Revolution Movelite T3. So Outdoor Revolution's Movelite range comes in three different sizes. So this is the middle size here, so the T3. Also comes in a slightly larger T4 or the more compact T2. All of those sizes come in three different height ranges. So this one we've got here is the low model, perfect for more of your lower camper van, your T5, your T6. And it also goes up to your mid and your high height as well. So perfect for more of your coach built motorhome. So really good adaptable Driveaway awning here. We'll chat through some of the key features. So it comes in the 240 HDE lightweight fabric. So 4,000 mil hydrostatic head, so really good lightweight but waterproofed fabric in this lovely sort of light grey and black colourway. So really contemporary feel to this awning. In terms of the air beam system, comes in the multi-point inflation with an intelligent frame. So what that means is in different temperatures, the actual beams themselves regulate the air pressure inside, just to prevent the beam actually overinflating in hot climates. So really good intelligent airframe system that comes with a lifetime guarantee. So if you are worried about stepping to an air awning, it really gives you that peace of mind with Outdoor Revolution. You've got the lifetime guarantee there. Some other key exterior features, we've got these lovely anti-glare windows that run the whole way down the awning. So great for just a bit of privacy, really nice darkened effect there as well. In this sort of really nice and deep canopy area, you've got lovely skylights as well, just add a little bit more light. And you've also got the option, if we just have a look up here, there's an extra zip at the top of the actual canopy area where it allows for a further canopy to come out, or a lovely zipped up porch door, which I know has been a really popular addition in 2022. Just then stepping inside, so you've got lovely lantern points throughout the awning, and we've also added the up down lighter. It's got this really nice reflective fabric in here where you can just drop in a Lumi light, and again just gives this really nice lighting that can be put on either air beam side. So really nice lighting option there. We'll now take a step inside the Driveaway awning and just chat through some of the Movelite features there. Okay, so just in the entranceway of the T3 now, and what you can see is you've got this really lovely open panel here, where you've got a couple of different options with it. So we've got the window panel with the zip-up curtain here, that you can then, if you want to then zip this down, you can then see behind it, you've got the option to have this mesh panel door. So if you're in hotter climates where you want that nice airflow, but you want to keep the bugs out, this is a perfect doorway for you. So we'll zip this now out fully. Just chat through some of the interior features here. So just as we step into the main body of the T3, you really get a sense for the lovely space in here. Couple of key features to note. So this space is quite often used as like a bedroom area. So you can get the clip-in 2-berth or 4-berth bedroom inners, or if you want to just keep it as a nice open section, you've got this lovely skylight and the zip up curtains here, so it can be just a really nice either storage or dining space as well. As you can see here, we've got the opening which would be for the tunnel section attached to your van, again, which gives you a really nice open space with zips on either side, where you can access the van. In terms of the sort of back of the awning, you've got really nice high level ventilation here, and also low level ventilation under this large window on this side as well. In terms of the back of the awning, you can zip this panel straight out, and it also Outdoor Revolution have made an Annexe that can zip straight in and give you an extra sleeping area as well, which is a really nice popular addition to the T3. In terms of this center area as well, if you want the fabric to be really nice and taut, they do produce a center pole as well that can just clip into this point here. That's been a really popular addition. And again, loads of other lighting tab points dotted around as well to make it feel really nice and homely. They also have a footprint and carpet as well that can be made to measure for the T3 or all of the Movelite awnings to make it feel really nice and homely. So I think in conclusion, I'd say this is a fantastic Driveaway awning for couples or young families that want that real peace of mind that they've got a great airframe system, really good waterproof fabric, and really good options in terms of a further annex or porch door to make it really nice and closed. So you've got loads of key options, loads of great features, and I think this will be a really popular model heading into 2023 and beyond. Thanks for listening. If you've got any other questions or further awning models that you'd like us to do a review on, please just comment below, but see you next time.